SpriCAD for AutoCAD and BricsCAD version 5. The floor management. Menu item, manage floors. For example, a multi-story building, ground floor to 4th floor. The sprinkler network is confusing at first glance. The floor management system provides an overview. Create the floors necessary for the project in Floor Manager. A short name and description can be entered per floor. Finally, let's take a look at the floors that we have been created. In the side view, you can simply select the SpriCAD elements suitable for the floor and assign them to the respective floor by the properties. Now the floors are assigned. Calculation is possible at any time, regardless of which floor is hidden. In the 3D view is now hidden what you don't want to see. Here in the example, all floors except the ground floor. Now we have the full overview in the top view from the ground floor. Switch quickly and swiftly to the first floor and the Floor Manager. The example shows that no matter which view we have selected, which floors we have hidden, we can always calculate. Deleting the floors in the floor management is only possible when all elements from the floors have been removed by the Properties dialog. The Delete button is grayed out. Select all elements and filter Pipes at the top of Properties dialog. Then select the minus sign under Floor in the Properties. Deleting all levels in the floor management by pressing the Delete button is now possible. You can watch the following innovations in other videos. Calculation of hydrant systems combined with sprinkler systems, the merging of files, cover area with sprinklers. Check our website and get your 14 days demo version free of charge as a full version.